Hello everyone, welcome into the ITLS Academy. ITLS Academy is the best online training platform with unique features which you will not find anywhere. Myself, Dr. Himani Singh, PhD in Tissue Engineering and Regenerative Medicine. So let's go. What is the clinical biology? Clinical biology is subdivision of viral methodology which deal with clinical aspects of virus including clinical condition. As all of us know that biology is the branch of science that deal with the study of viruses and virus-like agents including their taxonomy, disease-producing properties, cultivation, and genetics. Clinical biology mainly deals with cell culture, serological, biochemical, and molecular studies. This field is very useful in knowing the epidemiology and spreading of viral disease. By knowing the modes of transmission, effective treatment strategy can be discovered. What could be future as biologists? Biologists study viruses that affect human, animal, insects, bacteria, fungi, plants in the community, clinical, agriculture, and natural environment. Biologists typically work in research or teaching, and many split their time between these two activities. Biologists may also work as science writer or pursue additional training to work in pharmaceutical business or law. Researcher may be employed by universities, government agency or health organization. Some biologists work in industry research and develop new medicines. Scientists who trained as a biologist play a very important role in public health, including in conducting epidemiology and making sound health policies in the national, state, and local level. Some of the best reasons to consider a virology career include the following. First one is the strong job demand. There is a high demand for many types of public health professions. For example, the Bureau of Labor Statistics (BLS) find the will be a 10% increase in demand of epidemiologists trained in areas such as biology by 222 years. And next one is the strong salary. Public health professionals with a lot of training in biology will find that their starting salary will be quite high, especially if you earn a master degree in public health with a focus on biology. Next one is research. Emerging viruses such as Ebola, Zika, SARS, and Corona. These have only recently been discovered and are the focus of a tremendous amount of fascinating research. This type of exciting, potentially life-changing public health research is a hug drawn to the field of biology. Next one is the job security. Much of the work in the public health field involve working for or with the government agencies. Those who work for the government often have a high degree of job security with very good pay or for high trained scientists. When you put these four reasons together, biology is a very exciting, challenging, and rewarding career path. Something anyone interested in public health should consider. So, ITLS Academy are going to provide you the best training module for clinical biology course to you. You can join this without going anywhere. Just learn with us from your home on mobile or laptop without any time restrictions. When you want to learn, just log in your account, watch video, get important notes and participate in weekly assignment tests. So what is the aim and objectives of our module? This is the 3-month online program. Aim of this module is to make familiar with clinical biology techniques, to aware the participants regarding biology research, quality management system of biology laboratories, to make familiar with prospects in clinical biology, completing their education. What you will learn in this module, if you join, then what you are going to learn: laboratory procedure for detecting virus, viral pathogen, regulatory compliances, laboratory safety, laboratory design, job prospects in clinical biology. Next one is the topic to be covered. In this module, we are going to cover different type of topics. First one is the general topic in clinical biology. The taxonomy, classification and characterization of medically important viruses, quality assurance and quality control in clinical and molecular biology, regulatory compliances, laboratory safety, laboratory design. In this second module, in the second types, we are going to the introduce is a laboratory procedure for detecting viruses. In this module, we are going to uh, telling you the specimen requirements, selections, collections, transport and processing, primary isolation of viruses, viral antigen detection, serology methods, nucleic acid extraction in diagnostic biology, nucleic acid amplification by polymerase chain reaction, isothermal nucleic acid amplification method, quantitative molecular methods, signal amplification method, DNA sequencing for clinical and public health, biology, some assembly required, phenotypic and genotypic antiviral, subsequently testing, point of the care, diagnostic biology and future technology. Next, in this module, we are going to introduce is the viral pathogens in the respiratory viruses, enterovirus and perichloroviruses, molasses, mumps and rubella viruses, gastrointestinal virus, hepatitis A, E viruses, hepatitis B and D viruses, hepatitis C viruses, herpes simplex viruses and varicella zoster viruses, cytomegalovirus viruses, Aspergillus bar viruses, human her herpes virus 6, 7 and 8, human papilloma viruses, human polyomaviruses, parmoviruses, poxemer viruses, rabies viruses, aeroviruses, animal-borne viruses, HIV and human T lymphotropic viruses, chlamydia and the human virome, and last one is the human susceptibility and responsible to viral diseases. So, who can join this module? Eligibility for this training program is any student of BSc, BTech, MSc, MTech and PhD can join this program. If any faculty member of life sciences also interested for join this training program, then most welcome. After completing this training program, certificate will be provided of all the participants. So guys, don't wait, register yourself now. For more information, visit our website www.itlsacademy.com. Contact with us on WhatsApp number 70808 to get some other discount offer. So guys, see you soon in our training program. Take care.